Dear students, now we'll discuss chapter 6, that is rural administration. In this chapter we will discuss how the administration of any village is done with the help of police station, village panchayat and other officers. So in the starting of the chapter there is scene of one quarrel. Quarrel is between Mohan. Mohan is a small farmer and he owns a small agricultural field on which he has been farming for many years. And next to his field is Raghu's land, which is separated by a small boundary that is called Bandh. And Raghu was a rich farmer and his uncle was Sarpanch of the village. So he take undue advantage of that situation. He shifted the Bandh and taken some land from Mohan's field. A heated argument followed. Both argumented on that. The neighbors heard the arguments and they rushed to the spot where Mohan was being beaten up and they took him away. But it was Mohan was badly hurt on his head and hand. First aid was given to him by his neighbor. His friend also suggested that we will go to the local police station to file a report. But others were doubtful because they thought that Raghu's family would have already contacted the police station. But after discussion, it was decided that Mohan would go to police station along with some of the neighbors who had seen the incident. On the way to the police station, one of his neighbor asked, why don't we spend some more money and go to main police station of the town? Then one villager told that every police station has one area, and Mohan explained that it is not question of money, that we can register the case only in this police station because our village come in this area of work. So every police station has an area that comes under its control. So every particular area has one police station and that police station can register the complaints and do investigation regarding the cases which are held in that area. And it is responsibility of that station to inquire, to investigate and take action on the cases within its area. Next topic is work at the police station. How work is done in a police station. When Mohan and other villagers reached the police station, Mohan went to the person that was in charge of police station, and that was SHO. SHO means station house officer. Mohan told him to file a case, but the SHO rudely brushed him aside and saying that he could not bother to waste his time writing minor complaints. So SHO refused to file case or write his complaint because he thought it was a minor case. But Mohan showed him his injuries, but SHO was not doing proper work. He was not having opinion that it was a major case, so he was not bothering. Mohan was puzzled and did not know what to do. Then neighbors argued strongly that Mohan had been beaten up in front of them, and they had rescued him he would have been injured very seriously if they did not rescue them. They insisted that the case should be registered. Finally, the officers agreed and asked Mohan to write down written complaint. And Mohan written the complaint and also told the people that he would send a constable and next day investigate the incident. That was assured by the SHO. Next is maintenance of land record. Mohan and Raghu both were arguing heatedly whether the common boundary of their field had been shifted or not. So, how could it be proved that Raghu has shifted his boundary in Mohan's field? It was all can be seen with the help of records. Measuring the land and keeping land record is work of Patwari. Patwari is known by different names. In some village it is called Lekpal. In some village it is called Kanun Go or Karamchari or village officer, etc. So Patwari is known by different names. So the case was referred to the Patwari. Patwari maintains and updates the records of the village. It is responsibility of Patwari to keep record what land is belong to which farmer and how much land is owned by any farmer. The map and corresponding details of the register are maintained by the Patwari. Patwari usually measures the agricultural fields. In some places a long chain is used for that, and Patwari measured the Raghu's and Mohan's fields and compared them with the measurement on the map, and it was his duty to match whether it was according to the previous map or not. Patwari is also responsible for organizing and collection of land revenue from the farmers and providing information to the government about the crops grown in its area. So this is done from the record that are kept, and this is why it is important for Patwari to regularly update these. Farmer may change the crops, or sometime due to quarrels it is required to solve the quarrels. So it is very important work done by Patwari.